Hello everyone, how are you all? Good morning all the students of class 3, and I am going to teach you chapter 2nd, our food. Okay, so today we will first revise all the things, then we will complete the last paragraph of the chapter. Okay, see dear students, first tell me, are you doing your work in your notebooks? Okay, whenever you will write in your notebook, first write chapter, okay, then chapter, name of the chapter, then you will write the heading, okay, then starts writing. And please, whenever you will write, mention the date over there, okay. Every entry you have to fill it very properly, okay. Fill all these things very properly when you will write in the notebook, okay. Yes, so once again I will repeat whatever we have done yesterday, okay. Yesterday we talked about the food habits, this part. Yesterday we talked about this part of the chapter, food habits, okay. Then food groups, okay, this part, food groups and food habits. So once again I will repeat all the things to you. Chapter number 2nd are food. So in this chapter we learnt many things. We learnt about the sources of food, okay, from where we are getting the foods. We are getting the food from the two sources. First one is plant and second one is animals. Yes, first one is plants and second one is animals. So we are getting food from these two sources, okay. जो खाना होता है वो हमें इन दोनों चीज़ों से मिलता है, and we are eating all the parts of the plant in the form of food, okay. Then we can eat some vegetables raw, means कुछ सब्जियां जो है वो हम कच्ची भी खाते हैं, and we have to cook some vegetables before eating, okay. Then we learnt about food from the animals. Yes, we are getting food from the animals too, okay. We are getting milk and we are getting all the milk product from the animals only. Then we talked about the food habit, okay. See people, those who are eat fish but eat vegetables and all the milk products, they known as vegetarians. And people who also eat meat, fish, chicken, eggs along with plant food, they are called non-vegetarian people. They are called non-vegetarian. And some eat eggs but not meat, so they called vegetarians. And some vegetarian do not eat animal products like milk and things made from it. Okay, so they called vegans. So there are 4 category of food habits. First one is vegetarian, second non-vegetarian, third vegetarians, and 4 vegans. Okay, then we talked about the food of group. In this category we have to take all the nutritions, we have to involve all the nutrition in our food. Okay, in this we learnt about the proteins. Okay, we are getting protein from pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, eggs, fish. Okay, we are getting all these things from all these things we are getting. Okay, yes, then carbohydrate. We are getting carbohydrate from rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread and beet root, and we called carbohydrate as go food also. Then the fats. Yes, we are getting fats from butter, ghee, oil, groundnut oil, coconut oil and all. Then vitamins. Yes, we are getting vitamins from the fruits and the vegetables, and we called it protective food. Yes, then we will talk about the minerals. Yes, we are getting minerals from milk and Spanish. Yes, calcium and iron are the 2 important minerals needed by the body, and iron makes our body red. Yes, and Spanish is the rich in iron. Okay, जो पालक होती है that gives us more iron of our body, and calcium is needed for strong teeth and bones. Yes, dear students, when we will drink milk, then we will get the calcium, and calcium is very much needed for our strong teeth and bones. A glass of milk is rich in calcium. A glass of milk is rich in calcium. Okay, then we will talk about the fibers. Yes, we are getting fiber from whole grains. जितने भी अनाज होते हैं वो सब के सब हमें fibers देते हैं, and fruits and vegetables also carry fibers, and all types of fruits and all types of vegetables carry fibers. वो अपने साथ fibers लेकर चलते हैं. Carry fiber means they are carrying fibers with them. Okay, which help our body to digest food, which help our body to digest the food. If we will eat more salad, we will take more fibers in our food, then our body help us to digest all these food. Okay, it helps to clean our stomach regularly. Yes, when we will have more fibers in our food, then definitely we will not face any problem regarding our stomach. Our stomach cleans regularly. Okay, salad is a good source of what? Salad is the good source of fiber. So underline this line, salad is a good source of fiber. Salad is the good source of fiber. Okay, underline this line. Now we will talk about the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Balanced diet means include all types of food in your food. Okay, include all types of food in your daily routine. This is called balanced diet. जितनी भी चीज़ें, जो भी चीज़ें हम खाते हैं, हम उनको बराबर बराबर क्वांटिटी में अपने फूड में खाएंगे. जो भी खाना हम रोज़ में खाते हैं, वी विल involve all these things in our food. Okay, it is called balanced diet, a diet that consists of all the nutrition needed by our body in right amount. In right amount is called a balanced diet. Yes, the definition of the balanced diet, it is given in your book. So underline all these 4 lines. Okay, I will show this line number 1 and line number 2 and line number 3. Do underline these 3 lines. This is the definition of the balanced diet. What is balanced diet? Okay. Yes, so once again I will repeat, a diet that consists of all the nutrients. ऐसा खाना जिसमें सारे nutrients involve हों. And what are those nutrients? The name of the nutrients are protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamin, minerals and the fiber. This is the proper combination of the balanced diet. This is the proper combination of the balanced diet. Yes, once again I will repeat all the things so you can understand nicely. A balanced diet that consists of all the nutrition needed by our बॉडी. जो भी बैलेंस डाइट होती है उसमें सारे न्यूट्रिशंस होते हैं जो कि हमारी बॉडी के लिए बहुत 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 ज़रूरी होते हैं, बट इन प्रॉपर राइट अमाउंट. लेकिन उनकी जो क्वांटिटी है, उनकी जो मात्रा है, दैट शुड बी वेरी 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 बैलेंस्ड. ओके, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि कोई चीज़ कम खाई, कोई चीज़ ज़्यादा खाई. नो, it should be in proper amount. Okay, that is called a balanced diet. And all the nutrition means you have to involve the proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals and the fibers. These all are the nutritions and you have to involve all these things in your food. Okay, see, you are getting proteins from the pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, eggs and fish. So these all are the rich sources of the protein. When you will eat all these things, when you will involve all these things in your daily food, then you will get protein. Okay, we all are getting protein from all these things. And then the carbohydrate. Yes, carbohydrate, we are getting carbohydrate from rice, wheat, sugar, potato, banana, bread and beetroot. Yes, these all are the food items of the rich sources of carbohydrate. And carbohydrate we call go food also. Carbohydrate gives us energy. Carbohydrates gives us energy. And number 3, fats. We are getting fats from butter, ghee, oil, groundnut oil and coconut oil. ये सारा का सारा जो फैट होता है हमारी को बॉडी में, इन सारी चीज़ों से मिलता है. एंड व्हाट आर दोज थिंग्स? बटर, घी, ऑयल, ग्राउंडनट ऑयल एंड कोकोनट oil. Okay, then the vitamins. Yes, Vitamins, we are getting vitamins from all types of vegetables and all types of fruits, and vitamins we call protective food also. Yes, vitamins protect our body from the diseases. जितनी भी बीमारियां होती हैं उन सब बीमारियों से अगर आपको बचना है तो you have to eat more fruits and vegetables. You have to eat all types of fruits, all types of vegetable. Okay, so you will not fall sick. Then the minerals, yes, calcium and the iron. This is the minerals, and we are getting all these things from Spanish and milk. These two are the main sources of the minerals, and we all are getting minerals from both the things. And calcium is very much required to you all. आप सब चूँकि you all are a growing up child, आप सब बढ़ती उम्र के बच्चे हैं, that's why you have to drink more milk. And but I know well you are not interested to eat Spanish. आपको पालक की सब्जी खाना पसंद नहीं है, but पालक and milk both are very much needed for your body, for your body. Then the fibers, we are getting fibers from whole type of grains. Yes, every type of grains we are getting fibers. Then fruits and vegetables also carry fiber. जितनी भी fruits हैं, जितने भी vegetables हैं, इसलिए we teachers and your parents are also forcing you to eat all types of vegetable, to eat all types of fruits, to eat all types of grains. Yes, we all are forcing you to eat all these things because these all are things is very very much required for your healthy and fit body. Okay, sometimes some students they are saying, ma'am, my stomach is aching. Okay, why your stomach is aching? Because you are not getting proper drink and you are not involving the salad in your food. Okay, this is the main problem. When you will eat all these things, then your stomach automatically clean regularly, so you will not have any problem with your stomach. Okay, so take always salad, involve the salad in your food. Then the balanced diet. What is a proper balanced diet? एक proper balanced diet क्या होती है? A diet that consists all the nutrition needed by our body in right amount. सारे के सारे न्यूट्रिशंस हमारी बॉडी के लिए इट्स वेरी नेसेसरी, बहुत ज़रूरी होते हैं, बट वी हैव टू टेक इन राइट अमाउंट. हमें हमेशा उनको प्रॉपर मात्रा में ही खाना है. ऐसा नहीं करना है कि एक दिन बहुत सारी सैलेड खा ली तो खाना नहीं खाया, एक दिन बहुत सारा खाना खाया तो सैलेड नहीं खाई या दूध नहीं पिया. नो, डोंट डू लाइक दिस. Don't do like this. Always take proper balanced diet. Involve all these food items in your food groups: protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals and the fiber. And when you will eat all these things, it means you are having the proper balanced diet. अगर आप ये सारी चीज़ें खाते हैं, इसका साफ मतलब है कि आप एक प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट को फॉलो कर रहे हैं. एंड इफ यू विल फॉलो द प्रॉपर बैलेंस डाइट, यू विल नॉट फॉल सिक. ओके, यस. देन वी विल टॉक अबाउट द वाटर. वी विल टॉक अबाउट द वाटर, दिस पार्ट. Yes, water. And we must drink plenty of water. Please underline this line. We must drink plenty of water. Line number 1, you have to underline this line. We must drink plenty of water. It means we have to drink 8 glasses of water in a day or more than 8 glasses. But your drinking water should be pure, neat, clean and pure. Okay, always drink clean water. Always drink clean water. Why we all are forcing your parents, your teachers, always telling you please go and have some water? Why we are telling this? बार बार आपके पेरेंट्स टीचर्स क्यों ऐसा बोलते हैं? Because if you will eat plenty of water, अगर आप पर्याप्त मात्रा में पानी पिएंगे, then your food will digest properly. जो भी आप खाना खाएंगे वो बहुत प्रॉपर तरीके से डाइजेस्ट होगा. And when you will have the plenty of the water, all the waste material of your body will remove from the form of sweat and the यूरिन. आपकी बॉडी का जितना भी वेस्ट मटेरियल है, जो खराब हिस्सा है, जो खराब भाग है, जब भी आप ढेर सारा पानी पिएंगे वो सारा का सारा आपके पसीना और यूरिन के थ्रू बाहर हो जाएगा. सो always have plenty of water, but your drinking water should be neat, clean and pure. Try to eat 8 glasses of water in a day or more than 8 glasses. See, we all are living in Nimar area. We all are living in Nimar area and this area is very hot. This area is very hot. तब बहुत गर्मी होती है. So we have to drink more water. खाने से ज़्यादा हमें पानी पीना चाहिए. Okay? Yes. So all the explanation about the food has completed. All the explanation about the food has completed. Now we will talk about the popular dishes of some state. Last paragraph of the chapter. Yes, this paragraph. See, when you will watch this video, please keep EVS book and pencil in your hand. So whatever I told you to do, underline, please underline all these lines. Okay, then I am showing you this picture. We will talk about this paragraph. This is the last paragraph of your book. Okay, yes. Popular dishes of some states. Popular dishes of some states. कुछ states का जो भी popular खाना है, we will talk about these. Yes, picture number 1 you can see in picture number 1 you can see मक्के की रोटी and सरसों का साग. Yes, this food is very much famous in Punjab and it is very very delicious and healthy food. Yes, first pictures is मक्के की रोटी and सरसों का साग. This food is very much famous in Punjab and it is very very healthy. That's why people who are living in Punjab, they are having good heights and health. They have good personality. They have good physics. Why? Because they all are having good healthy food. Yes. And second picture number 2, dal bati and churma. Yes, dal bati and churma, it is also famous in our Nimar area and it is also famous in Rajasthan too. Yes, picture number 2, dal bati and churma. This is the famous food of the Rajasthan as well as in our Nimar area. And picture number 3, dhokla. Yes, dhokla is a Gujarati food. Dhokla is a Gujarati food, and maximum people of Gujaratis, they are vegetarians. They are vegetarians. And picture number 4, momos. Momos is the famous food of the Mizoram. Yes, I will not talk much about this because I am not liking this. Okay, then the idli, dosa and sambar. Yes, this is the South Indian food. Idli, dosa and sambar. This food is very much famous in South India. Yes, and then the biryani. Picture number 6 is biryani, and biryani is a very famous food of Andhra Pradesh, Hyderabad. Okay, then the picture number 7, fish curry and rice. Fish curry and rice. It is very much famous in West Bengal. Where it is very much famous? It is very much famous in West Bengal. Then the second last, pav bhaji. Wow, this food I like very much. Pav bhaji. It is very famous in Maharashtra. It is very much famous food of the Maharashtra. Okay, then last picture of Shrikhand. Yes, Shrikhand is very very famous in Maharashtra. Okay, maximum number of the food we all are eating in MP also. Okay, we all are eating in Madhya Pradesh also. So this is the your chapter number 2. Chapter number 2. Okay, now I am going to once again revise the whole summary of the chapter. Once again I will revise whole summary of the chapter. Okay, see why we teachers are repeating all these things again and again to you, because you are not in the classroom and directly we are not connecting with you. We are recording videos for you. That's why we teachers are repeating the things again and again to you. So when you will study at home this chapter, so you can understand the chapter nicely, and when you will do the exercise, then you will not face more problems. Okay, so once again I will repeat the whole summary of the chapter number 2 are food. In this chapter we learnt about the sources of food, then we learnt about the food habits, then group of foods, then balanced diet and the popular dishes of some states. These main 4 things we learnt in this chapter. So once again I will give little explanation. Okay, sources of food. Yes dear students, we all are getting foods from 2 sources. Yes, we all are getting food from 2 sources. First one is plants, second one is animals. First one is plants and second one is animals, and we all are eating all the parts of the food in the form of we all are eating the every part of the plant in the form of food. Okay, it means जो भी एक प्लांट है उसके जितने भी पार्ट्स होते हैं, from roots to flowers, we all are eating all these things. We all are eating all these things in the form of food. In the form of food. हम उसको डायरेक्टली नहीं खाते कि रूट्स बोला मैम ने तो रूट्स खा ली, नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता है। रूट्स बोला इट मीन्स व्हेन वी आर ईटिंग रेडिश, व्हेन वी आर ईटिंग कैरेट्स, दीज ऑल आर दी फॉर्म ऑफ द फूड, इसको हम खाने के रूप में खा रहे हैं। ओके, ऐसा नहीं होगा कि रूट बोला तो किसी प्लांट को उखाड़ा और उसकी जड़ खा ली, नो, मैं ऐसा नहीं कह रही हूँ। मैं ये कह रही हूँ कि वी ऑल आर ईटिंग ऑल दीज पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ फूड। यस, रूट्स, स्टेम, लीव्स, सीड्स, fruits, flowers, we all are eating these parts of the plants. Okay, then some vegetables we can eat raw, कुछ सब्जियां हम कच्ची भी खा सकते हैं, like onion, tomato, cucumber and few are there. Okay, then some vegetables we cannot eat without cooking. Without cooking we cannot eat some vegetables. Okay, then we talked about the food from the animals. Yes, dear students, we all are starting our day with milk, and milk we are getting from the animals. People, those who are living in desert areas, they are getting milk from the camel and yak. Sorry, they are getting milk from the camel. And people, those who are living in mountain areas, they are getting milk from yak. And we all are people, we are living in plain areas, and we are getting milk from the cow, buffalo and goat. And we are eating all types of milk product also, like curd, buttermilk, cheese, butter and all. Then we get eggs from the hens and ducks. Then we talked about honey and honeybee in very deeply. Yes, then people, those who are living in coastal areas, they are habitual to eat the meat. Okay, then we talked about the food habits. Yes, food habits, in this category there are four types of people. First one is vegetarian, then the non-vegetarian, then vegetarian and the vegans. Yes, then we talked about the food groups. Yes, food group means group of protein, carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals and the fibers. This is the group of food. Okay, then we are getting protein from pulses, milk, cheese, nuts, wheat, eggs, fish, meat and all. These all are the rich sources of the protein, and carbohydrate. Yes, we are getting carbohydrates from rice, wheat, sugar, potato, beetroot. Okay, we are getting carbohydrate from these foods. And fats, we are getting fat from butter, ghee, oil, groundnut and coconut oil. Then vitamins, we all are getting vitamins from all types of vegetables, all types of fruits. Okay, and vitamins is protect our body from the diseases. Then we are getting minerals from milk and Spanish. Then fiber is a very important part of our food, because when we will take fibers, it helps us to clean our stomach regularly. Okay, then we talked about a balanced diet. What is a proper balanced diet? When we will involve all these nutritions in our food, it means we are having a proper balanced diet. In proper balanced diet, we have to eat proteins. We have to take proteins, we have to take carbohydrate, fats, vitamins, minerals and the fibers. And we are getting all these things from pulses, rice, butter, milk, ghee, all types of fruits, all types of vegetables, salad. When we are eating all these things, it means we are getting a proper balanced diet. And last, what water. Don't forget this. Okay, water plays a very important role to digest the food. Okay, always drink plenty of water. Always drink plenty of water, because when you will drink lots of water, all the waste material of your body goes out in the form of urine and sweat. पसीने और यूरिन के माध्यम से वो सारा वेस्ट मटेरियल आपकी बॉडी से बाहर हो जाएगा. Then we talked about the popular dishes of some states. We talked about मक्के की रोटी and सरसों का साग, which is very much famous in Punjab. Yes, and one more thing is very much famous in Punjab, that is bhangra. This is the dance form of the Punjab. Then dal bati and churma, famous dish of Rajasthan, and it is famous in Nimad area also. We all are love to eat dal bati and churma. Then yes, Gujarat, dhokla is very much famous in Gujarat. When you will go Gujarat for roaming, then you will get doklas, undio, utpam in Gujarat. Then momos. I will not talk about momos because personally I am not liking this type of food. Okay, but it is very much famous in Mizoram. Then the South Indian food. South Indian food, idli, dosa and sambar. This is the popular dish of South India. Then the biryani. Biryani is very much famous in Hyderabad. And fish curry and rice. Yes, it is very much famous in Bengal. You all know Vidura ma'am na, she belongs from Bengal and she loves to eat fish curry. She loves to eat fish curry and rice. It is very much famous in West Bengal. Then pav bhaji and shrikhand. Both the things are very, very famous in Maharashtra. So I hope that you understand the chapter and the importance of the food in our life. So in my next lecture we will write the new words of the chapter. So when we will meet, then please get ready your notebook, your pencil, your sharpener, your eraser. Keep with these all things. Then we will write the new words of the chapter. Okay, so it is over from my side and I am giving you a little homework. Please read this chapter very nicely. If you have any problem, if you have any query, if you have any doubt, you can talk me personally or you can give me message on WhatsApp. Okay, so this was the explanation of the chapter. I hope that you understand well. If you can't, please write your all the doubts on my WhatsApp number. Okay, bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.